Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Mehboob. I am going to teach mathematics class 10 real number. So today our question is, by using Euclid division lemma, show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 5p plus 1, 5p plus 4. This is a very important concept. So we have to write the question. Use Euclid division lemma to show that square of any positive integer is of the form of 5p 5p plus 1 5p plus 4. So how do we prove by using the Euclid division lemma? First of all, we need to write down the formula. What is the formula? A is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than equal to r less than b. This is our formula. So student, whatever the coefficient of the variable, like English alphabets here p, what is the coefficient? It's 5 we have seen. So that coefficient of the variable we consider as, this is b value, b is equal to 5. So we assume that b is equal to 5. So we will substitute 0 less than equal to r less than b. What is b value? b is equal to 5. So we have to put in place of b, what we have to write? 5. R is a remainder which is lie between 0 and 5. So what are the possible values of r? R start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because r less than 5 means r up to 4. We have to substitute bq plus r. B value, what is b value? 5. 5q plus, what is the first value of r? 0. Similarly, 5q plus, what is the second value? 1. 5q plus, what is the next value? 2. 5q plus 3 and 5q plus 4. So by using these, we have to prove the first one 5p plus 1, 5p plus 4. How do we prove this? So first we will take, let a is equal to 5q. The first number, let a is equal to 5q. Then squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. If you are getting the squaring both sides, means we will get the square on both sides. So we will get a square is equal to 5q whole square. So this is a square is equal to 5q whole square. This is the property ab whole square. A square into b square. 5 square into q square. What is 5 square? 5 into 5? 25. Among these, if I am taking 5 common, 5 common means I have one 5 inside and remaining q square. So I will write 5 same. Instead of this 5q square, I have to write p. So I have to mention where p is equal to, what is p? 5q square, any positive integer. So this is our first answer. Square of the positive integer is of the form 5p. We reach the first answer. Next we have to do the second one. What is the second one? 5p plus 1. So how to prove the 5p plus 1? For that, I have to assume a is equal to 5q plus 1. A is equal to 5q plus 1. I assume a is equal to 5q plus 1. This is the second value. Again, I have to take the squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides means a square, and this is 5q plus 1 also whole square. This is the second part. So student, we know that this is a 5q and this is the 1. Addition of these two not possible, and is the power is 2 means exponent is 2. We have to use exponent formula a plus b whole square. So how to write this formula? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now in place of a we will write 5q, in place of b we have to write the 1. So we try to substitute. A is 5q plus 2. Again A, what is A? 5 cube. And what is B? B is 1 plus B square means 1 square. Okay, now we have to expand this. 5 square, 5 into 5, what is answer? 25 q square plus, again 2 5s are 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 cube plus 1 is square, 1 into 1, what is answer? 1. So among these two, we have to get common 5. 5 common, then we have 5 table when come 25. 5 5s are 25, and when it comes 10 in 5 table, 5 2s are 10. We'll get the 5 common in 25, we have 5 because 5 5s are 25. We have to get 5 common from 10, we have the 5 2s are 10, that's why I have written 2 here. So I will remove all these things. Instead of that, I'll write P plus 1. I have to mention where P is equal to 5q square plus 2q, any positive integer. So the second part of the answer is completed, 5p plus 1 square of any positive integer. So what is the third part, student? On the third part, it is very easy. We have to, assumption is what? We have to write the third part. A is equal to 5q plus 2 we have to write, and 1 we have to change, and instead of that we should write down the 2. We use the same formula and just we check the value. Wherever we have written 1, replace with 2. 1 replace with 2. Again, this is the same. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So we should write 20. 2 square, what we get? 4. If you are getting 5 common, this is the correct 5. 5s are 25. If you have 5 common from the 20, we have a 4. And this is the 4 also. So we have 5, and remove this thing, we should write P. And this is the 4, we should write 4. What is P? P is equal to 5q square plus 4q, any positive integer. So finally we should write on, after reaching the answer, we should write on, therefore the square of any positive integer is of the form of 5p, 5p plus 1, 5p plus 4. So we should write on, hence proved. I hope you understood this concept. So I give you one more question to try at home. Square of any positive integer is of the form, that is 3p, 3p plus 1, 3p plus 4. The same, use Euclid division lemma.